I had never flown a radio-controlled plane before, but somehow I figured with a plane like the Cox Sky Ranger it wouldn't be too difficult. But as it turned out, I ran into a few problems. The first mistake I made is choosing a day when there was a slight breeze blowing. Not enough that would have bothered an experienced pilot, but for somebody like me who's just starting, it made a big difference. The Sky Ranger is a pretty durable airplane, and the foam construction held up pretty well. But after about 4 or 5 crashes, I had a particularly hard nosedive into the ground, and I bent the motor shaft. And when I tried to straighten it, it broke off. So that brought an early end to my first flying session. Luckily, there are plenty of parts available for the Sky Ranger, so 3 days and $15 later, I was out and ready to fly again. Change the trim, it's pulling to the right all the time, and I have the trim all the way to the left. I still can't get it corrected, so I'm going to lengthen the rod here and see if that'll take care of it. After a few more crashes and a minor adjustment to the plane, something finally clicked, and suddenly I was a fully addicted RC airplane pilot. Yeah, now we're flying. I have some resemblance of control of it now. The throttle rate about 50%, and it's just a nice cruising speed. And it's also starting to rain. So now comes the part where I have to figure out if I'm able to land it or not.